really excited for today's video. As you saw in the little pre-clip, today's video is pretty special. We have, as far as my knowledge goes, the world's first turbocharged Ford Figo, which is owned by Ricardo. So the following clips is when I met up with him about a year or two ago when the car was initially turbocharged. I lost most of the footage, but I managed to gather some of the footage from what I recorded that day. So the next few videos are a montage, and then us driving along in his car, and also me getting to experience the turbocharged Ford Figo. So let me know in the comments down below what you guys think of the turbocharged Ford Figo. I think it sounds absolutely sick, but without further ado, enjoy the video. Let me know what you guys think. Ricardo's nice enough to let me drive it up and down the quiet road. Is this the short shifter?
Yeah. You can feel it's tight. It's much shorter.
It's tight as well.
Now, first is a little bit tight, but you'll see once you get going, it's 100%.
All Figo's clutches take differently.
Oh, it's a brand new clutch. You must remember that.
Oh, that's just a shit.
It's very short.
Oh, I thought I wasn't in gear.
No, you.
I was like, oh shit, I'm gonna scratch. Is that third? Oh wow. You see, it feels like
you're not used to it.
Gear.
That's the thing, is you're not used to the short shift at all now. You have to readjust your brain. You can just floor it and go into it, it's fine.
Oh wow. I've been constantly stuck in that like rev band between 3.5 and 4.
No, it's got torque that the vehicle never had before.
That's the thing, like that's literally the only thing that's missing on the NA. Like if you put your foot, it's like, okay, 6 years till it gets to 140.
Yeah, I know, this car doesn't hesitate to go to 140.
And now 140 is its sweet spot.
Yeah, just wait for some wait for these fastness now, and then we just go around this island.
But it sounds good with the exhaust that you did as well.
Yeah. 63mm stainless.
And
full.
At the back, is it also the tailpiece also 63?
Yeah, it's straight from the downpipe all the way back. It is 63.
Oh wow! And how many boxes?
2 resonator and the main box.
Main box.
Yeah, but it's all.
But you did change them. You like
yeah. They both also true 63mm internal pipes.
Okay.
So it's a true free flow. You can just go from second and just roll into it. Yeah.
Definitely get me in trouble. I would be in so much trouble with this. It's really like it enjoys the boost.
Yeah.
Jeez, I'm impressed, man. For everything that's done by yourself,
Thank you.
That's really nice, especially the short shifter as well.
Yeah, it's a different feel to it.
Because I was looking at what's the name's what's the company's name? Puma. I think it's Puma Speed. Or there's another company that makes short shifters for the Mark 6 Fiesta.
Yes.
And I was looking at, but they don't want to allow us to import it to South Africa.
Really?
Yeah, so that was good enough to inspire me to.
Yeah,
Thank
now you can enjoy it.
That was insane. Like, literally, no, like I'm sure you guys will see on the video as well. I was just smiling the whole time, and I think that's the only thing that the Figos, like the petrol Figos, are missing is just that little bit.
Yeah, it doesn't
extra.
have that.
It's not like you have to just blow the wheels off. But just that little bit of extra power.
Yeah, just to fucking get you going.
Get you going, make me pass the car without having to stress if I'm going to get a head-on collision.
Without having to gear down twice.
That's the thing, that's the thing. Sorry for the shaky footage, guys. It's hard being in a fast Ford Figo with lowering springs. You must know, you guys have seen me drive with coilies. It's not the easiest thing to do.
Let's let them go a little bit. let them show off a little bit.
Yeah, let's catch up to them real fast. I'm all over.
Because you're so far so good, man, you know. No complaints, being very
It's
honest.
literally been so happy. It feels happy being boosted. Guys, get in contact with Ricardo. Boost your Figo. Oh yes. It was made for boost. I love this. And these cars handle really well as well for like factory suspension, just a little bit of a different spring.
Yeah, and it does have the roll bar in it as well.
Oh, roll bar as well, yeah. Makes a difference.
But I mean, that's like gears rolling onto it.
And it climbs. This guy on the bike was cucking himself.
So it definitely picks up where it could never before.
It basically, it feels like twice the speed.
Well, it is. I mean,
it is twice the power.
I am making twice the power, if not a little bit more than what the factory engine came with. Because the factory engine was 62 kilowatts flywheel and 124 newtons flywheel.
Oh wow.
So now, you know, we're already at 205 newtons and 100 and... Oh, there we go. There's someone in a big accident here.
Hey, they got smashed. Shit.
But yeah, so we definitely well over double the power that the engine is normally making from factory. That's without question. But yeah, so far so good, no issues. Touch wood.
Nah, touch wood, guys. Oh, that sound. It's addictive, guys. And what's the red line at now?
It's at 7,000 if I press it all the way, if I really want to just go ham on it.
The motor sounds pretty happy with the boost, I'm not gonna lie.
It's like, this is the thing, when I was very surprised. Like, it took it very well. Even when I was with Dino there at Auto Spot, he's very impressed. I mean, he's never seen anyone do this or this setup, so it's been working very well. But I mean,
very decently,
if you're not driving like an idiot, you know, it drives like a normal Figo. As you can see, it sounds normal.
Sounds normal until you get into boost. And where does boost get in, more or less?
Like 3,000 is where it starts to build boost. So, but like, you only like full boosting about 4,000 normally.
Okay.
So like,
yes. Sounds incredible. I love it. Motivation. Damn.
Sounds like a Burke or something that at least maybe has
some trim, wood trimmings.
Fuck. This is a Ford, this is plastic.
Ford's always plastic. But it sounds insane. Well, with all the right turbo noises, guys, I think you would agree with me. And definitely got the grunt to go. I think Ricardo must join me on the next hit. Oh, I love the car's handling. Ricardo should join me on the next skid pan day.
I think so. I'd like to do that. I've never taken it to a track or anything, so this is where I believe the car would shine the most, is on a circuit.
A small circuit, yeah.
Yeah,
especially the skid pan days now, because the lower powered cars usually tend to beat up the higher power cars because we're not spinning all over the place. So I think with the amount of power you have and the handling, it will be a good comparison to see, especially against my car as well. We can dice against each other. My loud Figo, loud and slow Ford Figo, and his quiet and fast Ford Figo. this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little short video of Ricardo's turbocharged Ford Figo. The car's absolutely insane. The noises it makes, the power it has almost double the power that a standard Ford Figo has. Really cool to see. He's an aircraft engineer, which is a thing that enabled him to manufacture or fabricate all the parts himself. He's got a lot of knowledge regarding that, but it was a really cool experience to drive the car, to feel the power, and just to see what a little 1.4 engine in a turbo Ford Figo can do. I know Ricardo took it to a track day after this, and he actually ended up staying up and beating quite a few much more higher powered cars. But let me know in the comments down below what you guys think of the turbo Ford Figo. I do know that he is or has already started planning on doing something to gain a bit more power, so I will try to see if I can get a few bits of pieces of information and knowledge from him. But if there has been something done, I will be sure to try and record a video for you guys of his new setup. But please remember to subscribe if you like this video. Half of the guys that watch the channel aren't subscribed, so please hit the subscribe button and please hit the like button. It really makes the videos appear in front of a lot more people, and it's a boost for the channel. It costs you nothing, and I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys for tuning in. I'll see you guys shortly with a new video. Have a great week and a great day. Cheers. Memphis, man.